Find unit digit at 537 raised to 451. In such case, see the unit digit, that is 7. Before that, you must know 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Of every number up to 9, that 2 raised to 6 up to 2 raised to 6, you must know. Now, I am not writing all. Required number, that is 7, so I am writing about 7. 7 raised to 1 is 7. 7 raised to 2, 49. 7 raised to 3, 343. 7 raised to 4, 2401. 7 raised to 5, 16807. Now, 7931. Again, 7931. So, after 4 intervals, number is repeating. In case of 7, number started repeating after 4 intervals. So divide this number by 4. Divide this power 451 by 4. So don't think about the answer, question. What is remainder? Now 451 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remains 3. If remains 3, look over here, unit digit is 3. All of you got this? Clear? You must know this, 3 raised to 1, after how many intervals the number is repeating. You check with every number. You must know this. Clear? So unit digit is 3. Clear? Yes, if it is yes, then tell me. Next, find the unit digit at 643 raised to 151. 643 raised to 151. Raised to 151. Now, what we are going to check? Check with 3. Unit digit is 3. You must know after how many intervals the number is repeating. 3 raised to 2 is 9. 3 raised to 3 is 27. 3 raised to 4 is 81. 3 raised to 5, 43. 3 raised to 6, I don't want to write next, that is 729, but 3971. 3971. After how many intervals number is repeating? After 4. After 4 numbers, the number is repeating. So divide 151 by 4. 151 by 4. 4 4s are 16. Sorry, 4 3s are 12. Carry 3. 4 7s are and 3 remains. If 3 remains, check with this. 3 raised to 3. Unit digit is 7. So your unit digit is 7. Clear? Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Take a screenshot. Find unit digit as 84 raised to 2456. 2453. Okay. Now what we have to check? 4 raised to 1, 4 raised to 2, 4 raised to 3, 4 raised to 4. Now 4 6 4 6, definitely that is 256. 4 6 4 6. After how many intervals number is repeating? Number is repeating after 2 intervals. So divide 2453 by 2 by 2. Okay. Now when you divide, remainder is 1. Remainder 1. So your answer is unit digit is 4. Clear? Next question for you. Find unit digit at 652 raised to 231. Try to solve. Take 30 seconds and try to solve. कसं येणार? युनिट डिजिट ओनली व सिंगल डिजिट. Okay, we'll check. 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8. So after 4 intervals, I will divide this by 4. 4 5 are 20, 31. So 3 remains. 3 remains means unit digit is 8. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Find unit digit 899 raised to 159. Find unit digit 1234 raised to 567 plus 56 raised 7 raised to 321. Now there are 2 questions. Try to solve this 3 and 4. We'll discuss. Question number 3, 4. Very good. Someone has answered. Yes. Question number 3. This is 9. What about 4? Question number 4. Question number 4. You answered question number 3. That is 9. Question number 4 is 1. Okay. Correct. Someone answered 1 and 1. Fourth is 1. Now, you find out unit digit is 4 here. You find out unit digit is 7 here. This is the number. This is the number. 7 plus 4, 11. Unit digit is 1. Check your answer. We'll move ahead. Take a screenshot. One more for the practice. Here only. Find unit digit. Three two one raised to 5 plus 652. 132 raised to 5. 123 raised to 5. 234 raised to 5. 345 raised to 5 plus 456 raised to 5. 567 raised to 5. 678 raised to 5 plus 789 raised to 5. What is the unit digit? If you are unable, try only 30 seconds. Think. If you are unable to solve this question, just tell me, sir, solve. Sir, please explain. I will explain. Okay. Three 21 raised to 5, 132 raised to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Taking your own time. Takes a lot of time. Very good.
नहीं समझ रहा तो बैठ जाओ। हाँ
मोबाइल लगने नहीं वाला है।
Very good, correct. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Yesterday we have learned this, how to do the addition up to 9. So addition is 45, unit digit is 5. Agreed? Yesterday we learned how to do the addition of the consecutive numbers. Very good. Now we'll move to next type of questions of number 16. Take a screenshot, we'll go ahead. Converting a number that is 0.4 bar plus 0.5 bar plus 0.6 bar plus 0.7 bar is equal to how much? This is the question. Now, it means 0.44444 unending plus 0.555 unending plus 0.66666 0.7777. Agreed to all of you? So converting into fraction. First we'll learn converting into fraction. How to convert this 0.4? It means 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 is 0.444 unending. This is 5 upon 9. This is 6 upon 9. And this is 7 upon 9. So this is 22 upon 9. That is 9 twos are. So you can write 2.4 like this. Here, now we'll move how to convert this type of numbers in fraction, converting into fraction.
एक ही सिस्टम था एक्सेल। लॉगिन कर लिया तो
I will repeat this question again, but before that we'll see 0.4 is 4 upon 10. 0.75 is 75 upon 100, that is 3 by 4.
अच्छा
0.9 is 9 upon 10. 0.123 is 123 upon 1000. 1, 2, 3. 3. So you are writing 3 zeros. Two numbers, you are writing 2 zeros. One number, one digit, you are writing you are writing 10. Okay, but in case of 0.123, 23 is repeating, it means 0. You cannot write 123 upon 100. This means 0.123 means 0.123232323 never ending. Clear? So how to convert this into fraction? We'll assume x as 0.123. So 10x is 1.23. 100x is 12.3232323 and all. What is 1000x? 123.232323. In such case, if I subtract 1000x minus 10x, what is 1000x? 123.232323. 10x is 1.232323 and so on and so on. Okay. After point, there is definitely 0. If you subtract 1000x minus 10x, then only after point there is definite 0. If you are going to subtract 100x from 1000x, there will be never 0 after point. If you are subtracting x from 100x, so there will be never 0 after this point. Now, therefore, I subtracted 1000x minus 10x. This is 990x. What is x? X is 122 upon 990. And what is our number? Our number is x is 0.12323 bar. It means when you convert this into fraction, this becomes 122 upon 990. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. One more question. Convert into fraction. I'm writing 3 questions. 0.345. 45 is repeating. 0.246. 6 is repeating. 0.1234. 234 is repeating. Just convert this into fraction. All these number convert into fraction. Take 1 minute. Try to solve. 3 questions. Take 1 minute. Try to solve. Yes, someone answered 342 upon 990. Correct. A minute is over. Time is already over. But try to solve. Two 44. If after point you are getting number, you are not getting 0, means you are not calculating correctly. You are not taking pair of two numbers correctly. I will solve this by a lengthy method, then by shortcut. We'll assume this is as x 0.246666. What will be 10x 2.466666 onwards. What will be 100x 24.666666. What will be 1000x 246.66666. Okay. So 0.6, same. So I will not think about 1000x now. I have to think about. Then I will write a 1000x 246.66666. 3 digits. So 1000x. Now, if I subtract x from 10x, I will get a number after decimal point. But if I subtract 1000x from 1000x, 100x minus 100x, then this will be 24.66666 onwards. Now see, this will get cancelled. After point there will be 0, and this will be 222. This will be 900 x. So x is 222 upon 900. Check your answer. Check your answer. Any query? These are the basic. The question will not be directly like this. Agreed? You are going to solve this, or should I try? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. This is 1233 upon 9990. Check your answer. Yes, very good. Okay. Now how to solve quickly? How to solve this quickly? See the method. How to solve this quickly? 0.4, 0.6 is 6 upon 10, and 0.6 bar is 6 upon 9. Keep in mind, 0.8 is 8 upon 10. 0.9 bar is 1. 0.5 bar is 5 upon 9. So whenever there is a bar, that means 9. Whenever there is a bar, that means there is 9. So on how many digits there is a bar? 2 digits. So I will write 0.345. I will write 2 times 9. One number not having bar. Not having bar, so write 0. Now 345, write down full number. 345 minus the number which not having bar, minus 3. So it will be 342 upon 990. Clear? This one is again 0.246. On how many numbers there is bar? Only 1. So write down 9. 2 numbers not having bar, write down 0. 246 minus numbers not having bar, minus 24. It is 222 upon 900 is your answer. Take your answer. Now you can solve this. Take a screenshot, we'll move ahead. For practice, I am giving 2-3 questions. For practice now. Take a screenshot. Now, the question type of question is like this. First, you solve this 0.2468, 0.123 all. Third, 0.1355. This. Solve. Second question. 16.57 bar plus 31.83 bar plus 92.61 bar.
मोबाइल ले चल, मोबाइल रन जल्दी ले जल्दी ले जल्दी ले।
Check your answer. Check your answer. Yes, correct. Now try this. This will be like this: 1657 upon 99 plus 31 83 upon 99 plus 92 61 upon 99. Do the addition of integers at one side. 16 plus 31, that is 47. 47, 49. So 139. 139. Now 57 plus 83. 57 plus 83. How you are going to calculate? 7 3 10. So 86, 140, 201 upon 99. So when you are dividing this, this will be 139 plus 2, 198 plus 3 upon 99. It will be 141, 3 upon 99, or you can write 141.3. This will be 3 upon, okay, directly. Point 03, 0.03, 0.03, so on. All of you got this? Clear? Should we go ahead? Should we go ahead? Say yes, we'll go ahead. Take a screenshot. Sum of digits of a two-digit number is 8 if digits are reversed, number increased by 36. Find number. Now we'll see the method and then towards shortcut. We'll move towards shortcut. First, how a number derived, say this is a number 64. This is unit digit. And this is tens place digit. Tens place digit is 60. 6 into 10 plus 4. It becomes 64. So let unit digit be x and tens place digit be y. Then number is 10x plus y. And second condition is given. Sum of digits is given. X plus y is given. X plus y is 8. This is first equation. Now, if digits are reversed means 64 will become 46. Unit digit will be tens place digit and tens place digit will be unit digit. Okay. So reverse number will be 10y plus x. Agreed? If digits are reversed, number increased by 36. Number increased by 36 means reverse number is bigger than original number. Reverse number is bigger than original number. It means if I subtract original number from bigger number, I will get 36. It is 10y minus y, 9x minus 9y minus 9x. 9y minus 9x is equal to 36. So y minus x is equal to 4. It means minus x plus y is 4. X plus y is 8, we know. Minus x plus y is 4. This will get cancelled. 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 6. Y is what? Y is tens place digit. Is 6. And unit digit y is x. Then what will be x? Y is 6. Y is 6. Then x will be 2. Number is, original number is 10x plus y. Oh. Something wrong? Let me do the correction. Unit digit is so the number is 26. It becomes number is 26. Make the corrections. Okay, take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. Take a screenshot. Now, how to solve this quickly? Sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 8. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. Keep in mind 8. Okay. Number increase or decrease by 36. Divide this number always by 4. So always by 9. Divide this 36 always by 9. Is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4, always divide by 2. You will get a digit 2. Now, 2 plus what number is 8? 2 plus what number is 8? 6. This is your answer. Now, this is a shortcut. If you follow this, take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. One more question for you. Try to solve. $24 cannot be the answer as sum of digits is 7. $25. Very good. 25. Very good. Correct answer. Now see the shortcut again. Keep in mind 7. Keep in mind 7. Number increase or decrease by 27. Always divide this number by 9. That is 3. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. 2 plus what number gives you 7? 2 plus 5 gives you 7. So 25 is your answer. Now one more thing, you have to think the number is increasing or decreasing, whatever that is. We'll continue tomorrow with this type of question, but I am sending today some questions for practice, that is on simplification and on number and number system. Class students already having these numbers, but I will send you again. So to send you these numbers again, please WhatsApp your name with online class. Although you are students, online class, and sir, you told me just tell me the feedback whether it is going very fast, very slow. Okay. One more question for you to practice. Still you don't follow, you can call me. Call me means after the class. Yes, 46 is the answer, correct? Okay. Good day to all of you. Stay home, stay safe. Good day to all of you. We'll solve tomorrow such type of question and some questions on simplification tomorrow. Okay.